Hello, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2015 Fiat 500L. This is a beautiful vehicle. It's silver with black cloth interior. It's got a backup camera. It's got Bluetooth. It's got a manual rear entry wheelchair accessible ramp. This is a mobility car, wheelchair accessible car. We have lots of different options with the Fiat 500, the Kia Souls. We have some options that are automatic. This particular model is a manual rear entry, which is very simple to lift and to lower. We also have a push button automatic power rear entry ramp, just like this one, but it deploys automatically with the push of a button off of a key fob. And we also have power driver transfer seats and power passenger transfer seats, so you could transfer from a wheelchair or power a scooter into the driver or passenger seat and push a button and you close it all up and be on your way. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years and we specialize in wheelchair accessible conversions, not just minivans. We started with minivans back in the 80s, but we've converted since then cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. We now offer Chevy Suburbans that have a driver or passenger side entry, which have a wheelchair lift, and the whole side of the vehicle deploys with the push of a button. This particular vehicle here is a manual rear entry. See, the handle's very simple and easy and nearly weightless. Very easy to lift up and store and stow away. Here at Freedom Motors, we give you the option to not only ride in a minivan if you're in a wheelchair, but you can drive from your wheelchair with many of the vehicles we offer, including the Chevy Silverados, Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukon XLs, GMC Sierras. We've got Chevy Tahoes. We've got a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles. We've got cars like this one, the Kia Souls, which have automatic rear entry, push button entry with the push of a remote control key fob. The whole rear of the vehicle deploys, and then we have driver transfer seats and passenger transfer seats, so you could transfer from your wheelchair into the driver's seat or the passenger seat, whichever you choose. This particular model is the lower end of the price scheme. It's only $25,999. We've got many vehicles that are over $70,000, $80,000 with the Suburbans and the Yukons, XLs, and Escalades, Denali's. This is 24531 is the stock number. 2015 Fiat 500L, 56,000 miles, manual rear entry, 4-cylinder, Bluetooth. It's got a backup camera, Bluetooth audio. You can tune to the different stations from the Bluetooth function. It's also got a USB port and an auxiliary port as well. It's a beautiful car. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles starting from $11,999, ranging all the way up and over $80,000 on the high-end Suburbans and Yukon XLs and Denali's that we have here. This is a lower end on the spectrum. It's only $25,999, an internet special sale price, and you can get payment terms up to 10 years with approved credit. So you can get very manageable lower payments. It's a beautiful vehicle. Manual rear entry. See the footballs there in the floor, which you use to strap your wheelchair to the vehicle so it's not moving around in transit. Another really good idea is get an easy lock system, which locks your vehicle, locks your wheelchair into place a lot quicker and easier. You can be on your way a lot faster without having to fumble with the straps and strapping the wheelchair into place. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. This is just one of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles that we have in stock. Just one of many. If you are in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call at 1-800-625-6335. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe page to the YouTube page here so you're up to date with all of the latest and greatest YouTube walk-around videos that we do here. Hablamos español también. We also have reps that speak Spanish. So we have reps in the field nationwide, sales reps in the field to offer free in-house demonstrations. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks so much for watching my video and have a great day.